Begin configuring your Microsoft Teams feed from the content menu by selecting the Teams tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see current feed configuration. Since Teams requires a connection to your Microsoft identity, you must sign in to continue configuring the feed. Set a custom name for the feed on the right. Then click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Click the Add or Refresh Teams button. This opens a pop-up window that leverages Microsoft Authentication. Enter your Microsoft credentials that have access to the Teams channel you wish to show in the feed. Since this authentication is provided by Microsoft, it includes any two-factor authentication you may have enabled. Continue through the authentication prompt. This installs an enterprise application on your Microsoft tenant that is read only for Teams available to the user authenticated. This access is read-only and can be scoped further in Microsoft Entra. You may need to be a Microsoft 365 administrator to authorize ScreenFeed for access. Contact your administrator for approval. Once authenticated, a list of available channels should appear. Click the checkbox next to the channels you want included in the feed. Choose your style from the preset style buttons or further customize by choosing the Custom Style button. Available style customizations are some preset fonts, background patterns, solid, dots, shapes, confetti, and sprinkles, text background, and accent colors. Select the number of posts you wish to display at one time from the Content Layout dropdown. Set a call to action. This will appear in a banner at the bottom of the feed. Scope the posts shown by setting a limit on historic posts and limiting the number of items in the feed. Set content preferences. Toggle to hide reactions, posting time, videos, text, post without media, and enable or disable animations. Set the duration for each content grid. The default is 10 seconds. Choose an intro style, background, and message. Set the delivery method. Available methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, JSON, and XML data. Click Create Feed to create your Teams feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.